Hey guys, I know some of y'all probably have a pool, nice pool. Sometimes you might like to sit in that area. You might even have some of these old beach chairs hanging around. Well, they go really well in that shallow part there. But here's a little trick to help your chairs so that they don't scratch up the bottom of your pool. Go get you some insulated pipe foam. This is 1-inch interior diameter with the self-adhering edges. Cut that to fit. Boom. Got yourself a little pad there so it doesn't scratch up the bottom of the pool. Hope that helps you out. Let's keep doing stuff. Here's a little update on the pool chair. The pipe insulation adhesive wasn't all that great. Started kind of coming apart there, so I reinforced it with some Gorilla Tape. And so far, it seems to be holding up really well. So chairs are nice and comfy, keeping the pool lining safe, and I'll keep you posted. But if you would, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more useful videos. Thanks.